Alaikum to my fellow human beings. Inshallah Rabbi, this is Malam Basit. I'm out here to tell you people that whoever is in need of any kind of spiritual help or financial help, you can contact me so that I will help that person. Inshallah, who you can see. Yes, if you are from Gambia, you can text me. You can see this is your currency, Gambia. You can text me, Inshallah Rabbi, to see the reality of my work. If you are from Botswana, you can see Botswana people, you can see your currency. If you are from Europe, you can also text me. Don't hesitate, text me and see how your dreams is going to come true. If you are from South Africa, you can see that is France. You can see it. Inshallah Rabbi, text me and your life will change forever. I'm a pure Muslim. If you text me, you'll see the reality of my work, because you know Quran will lie and I use Quran to do my work. I don't use human blood. Inshallah Rabbi, Malam Basit, try to text me with +233 59 23 53 484 +233 59 23 53 484. Inshallah, to see how your life is to change forever. All this man have charmed it. If you need my help, don't hesitate, call me, text me. If you have to text me, try to call me on video call to see whether you are working with the real person or not, because people are using my videos and my pictures to fraud others because of the good work I've been doing. Yes, and I want you to call me and verify before I work for you. You understand? Don't be sitting down. I want to help you so that you can share my number to your brother, your sister, and they will also enjoy the goodness of me. Many people are on social media talking good things about me just because I've done things good for them and their life have changed forever. Text me, Malam Basit, Inshallah, and your life will never be the same. Text me, my brother, my sister, text me so that you